Hi, I'm Damien from Graphico. Welcome again to the Friday Wrap. Well, it's RS week this week. 2 RS badge cars here at Graphico, both distinctly different. First up, the Porsche GT3 RS, amazing car there. Starting off in silver, in for a full colour change wrap to go to a matte metallic blue. Starting off with some basic part removal and trim, then moving on to a full wrap from head to toe in a quality wrap film, and then we put it all back together again for a full transformation of that car. And that whole process takes approximately a week, but as you can see, the owners ended up with a fully transformed vehicle. And the second RS badge car is the Ford Focus RS, fully wrapping that roof, bonnet and rear spoiler in a gloss black film to give that a really distinct looking look there. Thanks again for tuning into the Friday Wrap. I'm Damien. If you'd like a quote on any of our services, don't forget to click the button below to get a quote, and we'll see you next week.